The date is the 23rd of May 2025. The time is now 3:15 AM, and I just came outside because I looked out my window and it's a bit bright. It's quite light out there, and there's a supernatural noise now there. And when I came out the door, the back door into the garden, this strange smells hit me again. It's different this time to the others. Supernatural smell. Oh, behind me now. Yeah, it's a funny smell. It's like in between a little bit of cigarette smoke and like perfume. What a strange smell. It was stronger when I came out, unless I'm getting used to it, but it was a very weird smell out here. And there's noise everywhere. At 12:42 AM this morning, I was just lying in bed and I shot up straight to the window because this light was on the log cabin. There, look, it's not going off though. There we go. That was on, and there was. I've got the picture, and there's nothing in the garden, so the angels were walking around, no doubt. But the number 12. Well, it was at 12:42. The number 12:42. I've literally gone down a mathematical numerology gematria rabbit hole with that. Oh yeah, it's definitely Jehovah did it, or the angels. Oh, I can't get over that smell again. It's different to the other two that I've. Yeah, there's the noise. Right, I'm going out the front because it's actually in the front. I'll go through my door. I just stepped out the front door and I accidentally touched the button and turned my video camera off on the phone. But that's strange. Right, you can hear it now. Went out the front door and it weren't there. I can hear it there. Right, when I started taking this video, I didn't plan it, but it was 3:15, and the 315th chapter of the Bible is 1 Kings chapter 2, which is talking about Elijah going to heaven, which is talking about me. Because I've been in heaven with Jehovah, and in Malachi 4 verse 5 it says, I will send my prophet Elijah before the great and fear-inspiring day of Jehovah, awe-inspiring day of Jehovah. So this is definitely an Elijah type miracle. That looks quite bright over there, really. I'm going to have to check how far the sun is below the horizon. Yeah, but that light definitely came on with nobody here. There is noise. Now it's in the east. Hear that? Yeah, that's supernatural, no doubt about that. Yeah. through the gap of the 15 Harrier Court. Hey, that's loud. That's not Eric's boiler. Going out the gate. That's bloody loud, that. That's definitely supernatural. That's west. That's north. That's east. I thought it was Eric's boiler back on his house, so I just had to check. And I've got a noise over there. Northwest, towards north. We just need a star to move, a light to move across my house now to finish it off. Oh, it's in that direction now. Gone quieter now. How strange. There's my operations room to take down the Watchtower and the governing body of Jehovah's Witnesses. I'll be sending out my documents to the news media soon. News outlets and agencies around in the UK and in the USA. And it's Mission Impossible, The Final Reckoning. That film came out 2 days ago. I forgot his name now. There's a blue sky. Noise now. There. Hear it? Yeah, definitely supernatural. That supernatural smell, strange smell. It's just, I've been smelling things out here that you can't even. It's on and off a different planet. The smells I get around here. Why should it smell at this time of day? At 3:15 in the morning. It's ridiculous. Like groaning sounds. Just scanning the sky for any moving stars. I'll finish it off, won't it? Right, I'm going to have a cup of tea now and then probably get a bit of sleep. Bye for now. The time is now 3:36 and I've just come out and the noise is really loud. That house is in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, which is Jehovah's Temple in Jerusalem. God, where is it now? There. It's behind me. Oh God. Scary shit. This is getting good. I'm enjoying myself because I know Watchtower going down on the... There, look. 3rd of August 2025. And it'll be supernatural like this. God, it's loud. Yeah, I just gonna have my cup of tea, uploading my last 2 videos to Google Drive, so I can download them onto my tablet. And I thought, oh, I'm coming out here again. You want to watch what he's saying about me, you know, you elders at the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. Well, Simon Eshelby's not there now. David 7, Baz Gilderdale, and here we go. Louder as I say those elders' names. Oh. You see, you can't say this is traffic because the sound, the noise, the supernatural noise is just coming from different directions. There's not a main road up there. Look, listen. Oh God! Hear that? Oh, there's the Birchwood Kingdom Hall in that direction, and we got the noise coming from the west. Bloody hell. Now it sounds like a plane in the sky, and I doubt there is one. There. This is incredible. I mean, I've had noises be out here before, but these are particularly loud. I said, I was sitting on the chair by myself in the living room, and I said, why don't you make it louder, Jehovah, make it more obvious than he has done? Behind me again. Nobody can say this is traffic. Yeah, there's the A46 in the north there. But that's a mile away. I doubt at 3:30 in the morning it's going to be heavy traffic. It can't be anyway, because there's no... See, it's coming from there now. There's no main roads there. And there's definitely no main roads over there. Well, Skellingthorpe, but it's not a main road. It's like a ringing now. That's in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. That's a warning to you elders. You shouldn't have wrongly disfellowshipped me on the 2nd of June 2010 after confessing to adultery. What did Jesus say in the Bible? If you confess your sins to the Father, you will be forgiven. Why the hell did you disfellowship me? What's that loud noise? That's like a jet fighter. Oh, gold. There's a plane up there, can you see it? Right, I'm going to check my yeah, look at that. That's something flying across. You've seen it for yourself. I'm going to check my plane finder app in a minute and see if there's anything over there. I'll check the time of the video. In fact, I'm going to try it now. I'm going to stop the video and go look on my plane finder. Yeah, I've just literally come up stairs into my bedroom, put my plane finder app on, and there's absolutely no plane flying over Lincoln. That's my house there, Harrier Court, Birchwood Avenue there. There is no plane. That didn't even sound like a plane or look like a plane. That was a supernatural plane from Jehovah. I swear it is. I'd bet my life on it. The only plane that's near, well, that's way off, look. There's that one there. East Kirby. That's miles away. Wasn't that one. Where's that going from? Lufthansa. I don't know where that is. Frankfurt. There's that plane. Where's that come from? John F. Kennedy? Did it say? Yeah, JFK. John F. Kennedy International Airport. And the only other plane that's coming is a DHL. Look, you can see there's no planes around. That was a definitely supernatural plane. There's no doubt about it, because they'll show up on here. That one is East Midlands. That's where I used to live. East Midlands in Leicester. To Brussels. There we go. That's DHL. I think it's DHL. Yeah, DHL. Yep. I'm just checking what DHL is in Micometria. No, it's not much. So there you go. That plane that went over in the video, I literally came straight up just to prove. I knew it wouldn't be on their map. It literally went over my house. And there's nothing on there, is there? Anyway, time to put these videos together. Bye for now.